Hi guys, how you doing? This is Joe with Social Media by Joe. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, in this video I want to show you guys how you can embed your YouTube video on your Facebook page so that it's actually one of your tabs up here as opposed to over on the side where people might miss it. So we're in our page, and I apologize in advance for those of you that don't know how to set up a page. That's a whole nother tutorial. But for now, let's go ahead and get started. So we're in my page right here, and then I want to go ahead and click the edit page tab, our link right there. It's going to take me to the back end. This is where you can edit all your applications and all your settings for your page here. But what we need to do is we need to upload static FBML. So we can do it two ways. We can type in static FBML up here in the browser bar, or we can go down here to the very bottom where it says More Applications, click Browse More, and type in Static FBML. As you can already see, I have a few different FBML pages set up. So we're just going to go ahead and go into the one I already have set up for my YouTube videos. We're going to click on Application Settings. This will automatically be preset to Added. You need to remove that. And the tab navigation here will automatically be set to Available. You need to click Add. So remove the box tab and add the tab. So hopefully that wasn't too confusing, but go ahead and click OK. I'll show you why you do that in a second here. And then we're going to go into Edit FBML. Now, if you have an FBML page already, or you're already using FBML tab, if you wanted to add another one, a little trick here, you click on Add Another FBML box down here. But for right now, if you're just adding your first one, no problem. Put your title in that you desire, and then what we're going to go ahead and do is we are going to go to your text editor, and sorry guys. There it is. I use Notepad. You want to use your text editor, so TypePad, Notepad, whatever you use. You just don't want to use your Microsoft Word or any rich text format program, because it'll add things into your text that you don't want in your code. So I've already got this here. Don't worry about the code right now. It's going to be in the step-by-step instructions on my blog. I just want you to see the video. So we're going to go ahead and hit Control A for Control All to select everything, and then Control C, and then we're going to go back to the FBML page. We'll go ahead and hit Control V as in Victor, and you'll see we've got that code there. What we need to replace here are these X's. We need to replace them with the YouTube ID for the video that you want to embed on your site. So let's go over and get that code. Now, one of the things I want to point out here is that you want to go to the video page, not the channel page. What I mean by that is, if I went to Brennan Edwards Associates, this is actually their page, and we don't want the ID for this. We want the ID for this actual video. So we just click on the title of the video. This will take us to the page, and what you'll see up here is you'll see this code at the top. If you look up in your browser bar here, everything after the equal sign, you'll want to Control C or copy. Okay. Then we're going to go back into our FBML code. We already have the X's highlighted, so we're going to just hit Control V as in Victor to put in that ID. We'll also want to do it down here for these set of X's as well. Now, just so you know the difference, the first one is the video code. The second one is the image source code. You can actually create your own image source code and host the image at photobucket.com or Flickr, someplace that will give you a URL address that you can put in here. Just make sure that it's the same width and height of the video, or else it won't jive, it won't work well together. So the other thing that we need to do is we need to go down here and click on the autoplay code. I'm just going to hit Control X or Control, or just cut it and then paste it right after the YouTube ID that we put in for the video code. We only do it up here for the video code. We don't do it for the image code. We just do it for the video code. And one thing I want to point out here is you'll notice the quotation marks. There's single quotation marks starting at the beginning of the link and at the end of the link. You can use double as well, but you need to make sure if you use double that you close it with a double. If you use a single to open it, and then you close it with a single, just like it is right there. So the last thing we need to do is just put in the width and height, and we go back to the page. If we click on the embed, we'll see here's the width 480 and the height is 385. So we'll go back to the FBML, double click right there for 480, double click on 270, 385. We click Save, go up to Social Media by Joe or your link. You're now back here, and you'll see my tab has already been dragged and dropped onto the navigation bar, or tab bar up here for my YouTube videos. For you, since you're just installing this, they'll be under this double arrow, so you just click that once and you'll see a list, and you'll just hold down your mouse and drag and drop it on the navigation bar up here in the desired location that you want. But for now, since we already have it there, we'll click on My YouTube Videos, and we'll see that's not a very pretty image, and that's why you might want to make your own, but it's here. So when I click on that, the video will automatically start, and voila, your video is up and running. That's how you add your YouTube video to your Facebook page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us an email at joe@socialmediabyjoe. You can visit our site at socialmediabyjoe.com, or you can always call us 951-543-9839. Until then, thank you so much for stopping by. We look forward to all your comments and ratings, and until next time, make it a great day.